I want to start off by saying I'm sorry. Hello, everyone, and today we're gonna be teaching you guys how to apologize on YouTube. I know you saw the video already, and if you haven't already, I had another video on this channel showing you how to get good at video games. So if you want to go check that out, probably should. However, let's talk about apologies, right? Or apology videos, because on this platform, YouTube specifically, I've seen a lot of apology videos, and some were lackluster. You see, some were hitting the right mark, others were falling flat. And I just want to correct that. I'm one of those people that I want to help people out. So you gotta share the knowledge that you have with people that are out there. So here's the steps. All right, first and foremost, you need to find and wear clothes that are nondescript and very bland. All right, average. All right, you can't be wearing stuff like this. You can't go into an apology video, right? You can't go into an apology video and be like, oh, I'm sorry guys, and all that. You can't do that. You gotta wear something plain. All right, like a black shirt, no design. See, this has a design. You can't wear that. You can't wear the design. You have to wear something plain. All right. And I'll show you at the end of this video. I'll show you my apology video format. If you want to use that format, go ahead. It helps you out, because I'm saying, some people got to learn how to apologize out here. Second step, okay, you need to find the most humble place in your home or apartment or wherever you live. This background, see this background here? We can't use this background. All right, this background is telling people that I have everything together, that I'm not sorry, and that I'm doing pretty well. But we don't want that. We want to give the impression that we're down to earth, we're calm people. We're trying to say sorry out here. All right, man. So you gotta find the most humble place. Now, this is actually coming from a YouTube that I watched called Moist Critical, also known as Charlie, but Voice Critical. He said that there are places in people's homes that are humble, and that's where people should record, or that's where they record actually. And I was like, do I have one of those? I do. So if I have one, everyone has one for sure. That's no doubt about it. All right, step one, remember, we're going over this again. Step one, wear a bland shirt, basic shirt. All right. Step two, find the most humble place in your home and set up your setup. Now, step three, this is important. This is important for step three. Remember, this is before the video. All right. You're not making the video yet. Step three, you need to make sure that your video and audio quality, just like how you hear me right now, is not as good, here we go, as your main setup. So in my video, you're gonna see I don't sound that well, but I'm also not being in HD, quote unquote. The video is in 720. All right, let's be honest here. HD starts at 720. Okay, I'm not gonna argue with that. That's how it is. However, in our day and age, HD starts at 1080, which it shouldn't, but whatever. Here we go. It's gonna be in 720, my video, and it's also gonna be with not good audio quality. Now, why is that? And you're wondering, what? I need to have I want to make sure that people hear me. Haha. You want to make sure that people are rewatching it. See what I'm getting at? Okay. You're trying to fish for those views. You know what I'm saying? But you also want to sound sincere. So if I go into you right now with this HD quality and you see me with all this HD, you're not gonna accept my apology. Let's be honest. You're gonna be like, this guy is making way too much money. So find a humble place and set up your camera. And you know what? I think you should probably use a laptop camera, because laptop cameras are very bad. All right, just saying. Okay. Step 4. Here we go. Step 4. we're gonna be making sure that your apology is generic, inclusive, and vague as heck. All right, that's just the bottom line. All right, you got to make it vague as heck. All right, so those are your 4 steps. All right, number 1, like we said, nondescript clothing, very bland, very basic. Number 2, always make sure you find the humble place in your home. Very humble. Set it up. All right, find one. I'm telling you, there's a blank wall in your place that you should go to. Number 3, you need to make sure the audio and video quality, it's not good. Okay, it's not good. All right, you want to make sure people review or rewatch your video as much as you can. Step 3. 4. I can't even count. You see what I'm saying? I apologize. I don't like that. All right. 4. You need to make sure that your apology is inclusive, nondescript, and generic and vague as heck. All right. That's just setting up the video. Now let's go into the apologies. Now I'm going to talk about the apology itself when you're recording. When you first record, you need to make sure that you sigh. All right, like that, just like that. You gotta sigh. All right, but you have to sigh sincerely. Okay, come on, let's be honest. You have to sigh sincerely, meaning that you have to sigh and be like, "Oh man," right? Just like that. Cause then now when I sighed, you're like, "Oh man, I hope he's okay. I hope he's doing all right, man." See, just like that. When you sigh, then you jump into the "I'm sorry" part. First, okay, we have to start with the "I'm sorry" part. Just don't say that you're making this video because you got to say "I'm sorry." Let's skip the explanation towards the end so you won't mess yourself up. So we sigh at the beginning, we say we're sorry, and then we go into the explanation. Now again, like I said, in step 4, make it vague, make it inclusive. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, at the end of this video, you're gonna see my apology. You're gonna see my apology. You're gonna see how I do it, and I want you to take that and build upon it on your own apology. All right? Because let's be honest, people on this platform don't know how to apologize. You got people dancing over here for saying sorry. You got people saying that it wasn't even their fault. All right? That's not how life works. All right? And for this video, like I said, it's for those who really need it. Okay? And then when everything is all said and done, you want to make sure you end the video saying that, you know what, I'm gonna change in the future. I'm gonna be like, oh, I'm reflecting on what I did. So that way people can actually be like, oh, this guy really changed his ways, huh? All right, you know what, I forgive him. So that being said, please enjoy the video that you're gonna watch. If you liked what you saw here today, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and you know what I'm saying, make sure that when you're apologizing as well, I want to add this little tidbit in, make sure it's sincere. Like we're actually gonna apologize. Make sure it's sincere, you know. Come on, try to be sincere as you can. If not, nobody's gonna care. Nobody's gonna watch it again. All right, so thank you guys again so much for watching, and you know what, I hope you watching can learn from my apology video and make your own. And also, those big YouTubers who are probably not watching me, you should probably watch me. All right, also celebrities too, because there's some celebrities who make apology videos that are just outrageous, that they have no accountability, they just don't care. But if you guys need help with apology videos, there we go. I just made one for you. You're welcome, free of charge. All right, just take it and make it your own thing. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching again, and remember, we're not really apologizing, we're just making a video because people need to see and think that we're actually real sorry, but we're not really sorry. Okay, all right, have a great day. Don't forget to be waiter. Well, I want to start off by saying I'm sorry. I've had a lot of time to think about what
happened and everything that I said, I did, and I want to apologize. Um, I was not at the right mind. I wasn't uh, thinking, um, and I'm sorry to all those who have hurt. I'm sorry to those involved. Uh, I'm taking steps now to correct myself, um, and uh, I just hope that in the future um, I'll be a little bit more careful, a little bit more understanding, um, and thank you also for those who uh, were supporting me. Um, but even so, I still am sorry about uh, those who supported me. I'm sorry, um, and I hope moving forward um, this won't happen again. I'll try my best, um, and I'm not gonna try to, you know, sit here and uh, tell you everything um, that I could have done differently, but that beside the point. I'll try to be better. I'll try to be a better human. Thank you for understanding.